Hi guys, I'm Cash with Cashed Out Cars, and this is going to be a quick and really not too high quality video. First things first, the last month has been the best month that Cashed Out Cars has ever had. So I want to thank all you guys, to all the new subscribers. We got more than 1,000 subs last month, which is awesome. I want to thank all the old subscribers for sticking around, and now I want to get into why I'm making this video, and it's not a good reason. So the GTI behind me is currently very screwed. The oil pump seized and broke the chain that drives the oil pump, and I'm hoping there wasn't too much other damage, but we're going to have to dig into it and see what it is. So down here I'll show you my oil pan, which is currently full of parts, which you never want to see. It's not a good time, and I'm pretty worried about this car. Honestly, I had a bad feeling about it ever since I got it, and I was gonna sell it because I had that bad feeling, but I didn't, and now this happened. So guys, here's the oil pan. As you could see, we got a grab bag of parts in there. That's never a good thing. This is the chain that drives the oil pump. This is a gear that sheared off of the oil pump, and this is a plastic cover that blew off when all of that broke. So that's not a good sign. Like I said, we're probably going to dig into it and try to fix it, get the car back together and running, and then sell it. Honestly, I'm pretty tired of this thing. It breaks, it's been pretty unreliable, and like I said, I've just had a bad feeling, so I'm about ready to part ways with this thing after we get it fixed. So unfortunately, I won't have that much time to make videos of me actually fixing this thing because I'm an engineering student and the end of the semester is here. So the extra time that it takes to video stuff is going to be a little bit too much. I'm also going to have a lot of help working on this because, like I said, the end of the semester is coming up, and I'm also on a Formula SAE team, and it's competition season. So I'm going to be out racing a car in Michigan and up in Canada, and won't have tons of time to film this and film fixing it. So I'll update you guys once it's back together. It's an unfortunate situation, but like I said, we'll get through it, and I'll let you know how it goes, and then we'll get something else and keep the channel going. So, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, it's been the most successful month in Cashed Out Cars history, which is awesome. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.